Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Astu's back. I'm back. Me. How you doing? I hope you're doing okay. Well, I'm not gonna hold you up. I have this 2020 Honda, as you can see. It kind of look like what? Let me know. Tell me what you think. What it looks like. Is it looking like a Pilot, Honda Pilot, Civic, Accord, Acura? You put it in the comment box for me and let me know what you think, alright? But okay, I'm gonna tell you. This is a Honda. This is a 2020 Honda Passport. I get that right. Honda Passport. Before I get into the action, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the new subscribers, the old subscribers, and the new coming subscribers. Where would I be without my fans, my people, my subscribers, new subscribers, old subscribers, my haters? Where would I be? You know what I'm saying? Thank you, I appreciate it. Hug, and if you're a girl, kisses, I guess, or handshake, whatever you want. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, I want to mention also that when I launch a premiere video, a brand new video, when I upload it, now we can chat. We can use the super chat or super stickers. Alright, check that out when I launch this video, okay, as a premiere. Go to super chats or super stickers and you see what you can do over there. Have fun with it. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up no more, okay? I'm gonna do the oil change and oil life reset in this Honda Passport 2020. Yummy. Like I said, the whole setup is identical to let me know what car, okay? Between the Hondas, Acuras, let me know, alright? Other than that, also I want to mention, yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the like button, hit the share button. Maybe you know someone that has a Honda Passport 2020, 2019, 2021, 2022 is out, by the way. Alright, so if you know someone with a passport, Honda Passport, share this video. Know what I'm saying? I would appreciate it. By the way, thank you for the support. I appreciate it. Know what I'm saying? I don't know how to say thank you. The only way I can I see it is by making more videos. Know what I'm saying? I appreciate the support. I love you. And with your support, I'm gonna make greater videos. Know what I'm saying? Just because you deserve it. Know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna hold you out no more. How to do the oil change and the oil life reset in this 2020 Honda Passport. Alright, stay tuned. Holla at your boy. I'll get you up later. Alright, Honda. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I'm back. Hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this 2020 Honda Passport with a 3.5 liter engine. By the way, I pour 6.5 quarts of synthetic oil, 0W20, just so you know. And now I'm gonna do the oil life reset. Maybe by now you know it because, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, before I get into that, please, I'm sorry, but I have to say it though. Once I premiere this video, you know, you can chat with me. We can chat, now I'm saying. Use the super chats or super stickers. Have fun with it. Try that out for me. I appreciate the support. Okay. I'm not gonna hold you out no more. Let's do the oil life reset. I believe there's two ways, through here and through here. Let's see it this way. Go to settings, vehicle, scroll down, maintenance information, engine oil, reset, press reset, and you're gonna reset it, okay? And you can do the same with the tire rotation or whatever you set up for maintenance, okay? I'm gonna go back home, okay? That's one way. The other way is, you see any message over there, don't worry about that. It says maintenance passed through 140 miles, okay? We passed 140 miles. Press this button right here. It's gonna take you, or press enter, press enter. Okay, it's gonna dismiss any message you have here. Then scroll down. Go to maintenance, scroll down, up, enter. Okay, enter. Tire pressure, now oil life, scroll down, oil life, enter. Now here you can press it, enter, press it and hold it, okay? It's gonna take a hot second. I'm saying, press it and hold it. Now you see that message, let it go. Scroll down, all new items, enter. It's not say maintenance manager A1 green message. Oil life 100%. Alright. This is how you reset the oil life in this 2020 Honda Passport. Okay. Before I go, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the share button, the feedback put in the comment box for me, you know, blah blah blah, yeti yeti. You feel me? Let me know. This car looks like what? Put it in the comment box for me. I want to know what you think. Does it look like a Honda Accord, Honda Civic, Honda Pilot, Acura? Let me know. You see the sign right here. You see it. Now comment, put it in the comment box for me. Alright. And don't forget to try that out. The super chats and super stickers. When I launch this video as a premiere, we can chat. Alright. So watch the video. While you watch it, you can ask me or chat with me, ask me whatever you feel like. Alright? And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers, all subscribers, and the newcomer subscribers. I appreciate it. Where would I be without you? I love you. Pause. Still though. Alright? I hope you're doing okay. Take care. COVID is still out here. So keep an eye open, alright? Holla at your boy, Stu Guru. Meow.